Chapter 9. Your plan, not hope. You have seen through the lies. You know the cigarette gives you nothing. Relaxation? No. Focus? No. Confidence? No. You know you were targeted, not weak. Now it is time to build your plan. Not a hope, not a wish. A plan. Step 1. Find your real reason. Not, I should quit for my health. That is vague. That will not save you at 2 a.m. when a craving hits. You need a real reason. A sharp reason. One that hurts to think about. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? Not why you should. Why you want. Here is what other quitters have said. I want to breathe deeply when I play with my kids. I am tired of standing outside in the cold. I want to taste my food again. My father died of lung cancer. I do not want that for my family. I am sick of lying about my habit. My reason was simple. I was tired. Tired of the smell. Tired of the shame. Tired of planning my day around a pack of paper and poison. Find your reason. Write it down. Put it on your mirror, your phone, your refrigerator. When the craving screams, this will be your anchor. Step 2. Choose your weapon. 2 paths. Neither is right or wrong. Choose what fits you. Cold turkey. Stop completely. All at once. No patches. No gum. Just done. Pros. Clean break from nicotine. No lingering dependence on substitutes. Many people find it empowering. Withdrawal is intense, but shorter. Cons. Withdrawal can feel overwhelming. Higher risk of early relapse. Not suitable for everyone. Gradual reduction. Cut down slowly. Fewer cigarettes each day. Or use nicotine replacement, patches, gum, lozenges. Pros. Less intense withdrawal. More time to adjust psychologically. Can feel more manageable. Supported by medical evidence. Cons. Takes longer. Risk of getting stuck at a reduced level. Continued exposure to nicotine. I chose cold turkey. It fit my personality. I cannot do things halfway. You choose your path. Just choose. A personal perspective on quitting without medications. I believe it is important to know that quitting without prescription medications is not only possible, it can be deeply empowering. I quit cold turkey twice. It suited my personality and my determination to take control of my health on my own terms. I leaned on lifestyle changes, behavioral strategies, and a strong personal commitment. For me, that was the right path. Sometimes people assume they need medication to quit. That is not always true. Many people have successfully quit without any pharmaceutical aids. If you prefer a non-medication route, you are not alone, and it can absolutely be done. Of course, everyone's journey is different. Some people find that nicotine replacement or prescription medications give them the support they need. The most important thing is finding the path that works for you. What the research says. Studies show that both methods can work. Cold turkey quitters are often more likely to stay smoke-free in the long term, possibly because the decisiveness creates a psychological shift. Gradual reduction, especially with nicotine replacement, has higher success rates for those who struggle with intense cravings. The key is choosing what aligns with your personality, your smoking history, and your support system. Step 3. Pick the day. Set a date within the next 2 weeks. Not tomorrow, too soon. Not next month, too easy to postpone. Choose a day with less stress. Weekends are good. More time to focus. Some people pick a birthday or anniversary. I chose a Saturday. 10 days away. Enough time to prepare. Not enough time to talk myself out of it. Mark it on your calendar. Tell people. The more who know, the harder to back out. Step 4. Clean your world. This step is hard. Do it anyway. Go through your home, your car, your workplace. Remove every trace of smoking. Throw away all cigarettes, lighters, matches, ashtrays. Vacuum your car. Wash your clothes, your bedding, your curtains. Change your space. Move the coffee mug to a different spot. Rearrange the furniture if you want. The goal is to make smoking inconvenient. If you have to drive to a store at 2 a.m. during a craving, that pause might save you. Step 5. Build your wall. You do not have to do this alone. Do not try. Tell your family and friends. Say, I am quitting on this date. I might be irritable for a while. I need your patience and your encouragement. If your friends smoke, be honest. I am quitting. I might need to step away when you light up for a while. If they are not supportive, find others. Online groups. Quit lines. There are people who understand. People who have been through it. People who will cheer for you. In the U.S., call 1-800-QUIT-NOW. Free coaching. Many countries have the same. Step 6. Prepare for the ambush. Cravings will come. They will feel urgent. You need a plan for when they hit. Build a craving emergency kit. Keep it in your bag, your car, your desk. Fill it with sugar-free gum or hard candy, crunchy vegetables, carrots, celery, nuts and seeds. Sunflower seeds saved me. A water bottle, a stress ball or fidget toy, a list of your why reasons, a playlist of calm music, a puzzle or game on your phone. When a craving hits, you do not want to think. You want to reach. Step 7. Plan your first day. What will you do on your first smoke-free day? If you leave it blank, cravings will fill the space. Plan activities that keep you busy and away from triggers. Go for a long walk in a smoke-free place. Watch a movie. Binge a series. Cook a complicated meal. Go to a cinema, a library, a gym, anywhere smoking is not allowed. You will still feel discomfort. That is normal, but you will have something to do when the urge hits. Step 8. Know what is coming. Withdrawal is not failure. It is healing. Your brain is resetting. The first 3 days are the hardest. Then it gets easier. First 24 hours, cravings come in waves. Each wave lasts 3 to 5 minutes. Ride it out. Drink water. Breathe. Days 2 to 3, irritability. Headaches. Trouble sleeping. Warn the people around you. Walk. Rest. Days 4 to 7, more energy. Breathing easier. You will notice. Stay vigilant. Weeks 2 to 4, physical symptoms fade. Triggers remain. Replace old routines. Months 1 to 3, rare cravings. Habits still linger. Build your new identity. You are not powerless against withdrawal. You are prepared. Natural allies. How healthy snacks help you quit. When a craving hits, your hands and mouth instinctively reach for something. That is the habit side of smoking. Instead of fighting that instinct, you can redirect it into something that actually nourishes you. Peanuts. Affordable, crunchy, and versatile. Boiled peanuts keep hands busy, shelling. Roasted or spiced peanuts offer simple crunch. Natural peanut butter lingers in the mouth. Packed with healthy fats, protein, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Sunflower seeds. In shell slow, rhythmic eating, crack, extract, savor. Delivers vitamin E, selenium, and healthy fats for immune support. Pumpkin seeds. Pepitas chewing provides oral stimulation. Rich in magnesium, calms nerves, and tryptophan boosts serotonin. Helps ease withdrawal stress. Watermelon seeds. Roasted, overlooked, but effective. Crunchy, time-consuming, keeps hands and mouth busy. Provides iron, B vitamins, and healthy fats. Other nuts and seeds to keep on hand. Almonds are protein-packed and filling. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health and reduce inflammation. Pistachios, shelling them slows you down, mimicking the handling of a cigarette. Chia and flax seeds can be sprinkled into yogurt or smoothies for an extra nutrient boost without the chewing action. Why this works? Snacking on nuts and seeds satisfies the hand-to-mouth habit, eases oral fixation, supports your mood with magnesium and tryptophan, and keeps you busy. Idle moments are dangerous. A bowl of seeds in front of you gives your hands a purpose. You are replacing harm with health. Every time you choose a handful of peanuts instead of a cigarette, you are not just avoiding poison. You are actively giving your body something good. A gentle reminder. These snacks are tools, not magic. They will not quit for you. But when cravings strike, having a simple, natural option ready can make the difference between reaching for a cigarette and taking another step toward freedom. Try a few. See what works for you. Keep a bowl nearby during your first weeks, especially during the times you used to smoke most, morning coffee, work breaks, or winding down at night. Your body is healing. These small choices add up. The most important thing, I did not use every technique in this book when I quit. My journey came down to one thing, a decision, a real decision. Not I will try, not I hope so. I am done. These tools will help you. The plan will guide you. The snacks will distract you. The support will carry you. But the decision is yours. No one can make it for you. The moment you say, I am done, and mean it, that is when everything changes. What comes next? Now you have a plan, a date, a kit, a reason. In the next chapter, I will walk with you through the first days, the hardest days. I will tell you what I felt, what helped me survive, and what you can expect. You are not alone. Turn the page. End of chapter 9.